taking too long.
Who's that? Good morning, everyone. We are on our way to Ate Paris's ballet class. Ate, have a look here. Say good morning.
Good morning. Look at this.
Oh, we have to be quick now. We have to be quick. We'll show it later. Because we're late. Ayan. Medyo nahuli kami guys kasi tingnan nyo, medyo basa yung daan. Umuulan. Kahit ngayon nga meron pero parang ano lang. Anong tawag dun guys? Yung drizzle lang ba? But I think it's been raining overnight. Tingnan nyo, oh. Basang-basa na. 9:30 yung klase ni Ate Paris natin. Tingnan nyo, oh. Bag kurik. May bag pa siya. Ang ating baby silin ay nandito. Good morning, my little one. Hi. How are you, sweetie girl? Hey. Are you feeling better? Huh? Are you feeling better? Alam niyo, kagabi to siya, guys. Nagsuka siya kagabi. I think yun yung napakain ko sa kanya na avocado kahapon. I think so. Oh, okay. We're going. Iniwan na kami. But yeah, I think she's better this morning, so I'm happy. Stress na naman ang beauty niya ni Mommy last night, guys. Kahit kaninang umaga, nagising siya. 4 o'clock. Paano lang siya? Alam niyo yung parang magsusuka pero hindi natutuloy yung pagsusuka. Feeling na yun. Hala, lumalakas na yung ulan. Chika pa more, Mommy. Ito tayo sa my little ballerina.
I can go like that.
You know you can. Come on, you have to be quick.
This one. Come on.
You have to see your teacher na. Si Daddy Mike at si Rin guys nandun sa baba. Hindi kasi hindi namin madala yung dito, staff from. Okay, where's your room?
I'll show you where it is.
Yeah, I think they're closed now. Yeah. They're closed.
Let's go tell Daddy.
That's silly. I don't know what's... No one's here. Oopsie.
We just tell Daddy.
And go tell Daddy? Oh, well.
Can we go for next time?
Yeah, of course. No one's here. I think they have some holiday. Aww. That's alright, honey. We can still dance. Yeah? Okay, we'll go downstairs. We'll get something to drink.
I want a snack, Mom.
We'll get hot chocolate. Yeah? Sayang po ang outfit ng ating Ate Paris. Uy! Huwag mamabahin na kami, guys. They're closed na, kaya? Yeah. So, ewan ko lang, guys. Hindi kami na-inform na close pala yung ballet class ni Ate Paris today. Maybe nag-holiday or something.
And we missed the dock.
Yeah, you missed it? No, you didn't miss it, Nak. They're just not there. They're closed today. Without letting you know.
Why?
I'm not sure, my love.
I think it was raining.
Because it's raining? No, I don't think so. I think wala lang talaga sila today. Meron talaga. Hindi siguro kami na siguro nag-email kay Daddy Mark, hindi namin na kita. Nagmadali din kaming umuwi kasi umulan, guys. So, since wala namang walang class ni Ate Paris doon, nag-grocery shopping na lang kami. Nag-grocery shopping na lang kami kasi, who's coming today?
Little Karen.
Your twins.
Yeah.
Your twins coming today. So, Mike's mom is arriving this afternoon. So, kaya nag-grocery shopping din kami para meron namin mga pagkain dito sa bahay. And, are you excited?
Yeah.
So, Ate Paris will sleep in the bunk bed with
Lola Karen.
Yeah.
And Lola Karen is going to, and Lola Karen is went to the airplane now.
She's on her way to the airport.
Like here?
Mm-hmm. She's in Melbourne. She's on her way to the airport and then she will catch the plane and she'll come here to see you and Celine and Daddy and Mommy. Yeah, and you're gonna play with Lola Karen. Do you miss Lola Karen?
Yeah, I miss her.
Yeah, you miss her because you look like her.
No.
So, di Paris ay kamukha ng kanyang Lula. You look like Lula?
No.
Yes,
Yeah.
you do.
But I want to look like her.
You're a baby Karen. You're a little Karen.
Wow.
You're a little Karen. And how long is Lola Karen staying with us? For? How many sleeps?
7.
Wow! You're very smart. You're very good at remembering. You going now? Okay. So, see you, Tita Andito. Where are you going now?
To the haircut.
Haircut. Daddy will go out, guys. We'll go. They will go get Daddy's haircut. Do you say hi? Daddy.
Hello. Bye-bye.
Alright, bye. See you.
Bye.
Go enjoy, honey. Hi, don't leave Daddy, ha? Call Daddy when you cross the road.
Yes,
So, ang ating baby Celine ay natutulog, guys. So, I'll have a chance to put everything away. Pagpasensyahan nyo na ay hagado versus ang inyong mommy today, guys. Tingnan nyo ang aking pagmumukha, oh. So, kaya ng umaga, naghilamos lang ako. And, naglagay ng moisturizer sa mukha at yun lang. Ang aking buhok ay ginanyan ko na nga lang, oh. Hindi ko na sinuklay. Hindi ko na sinuklay. Kasi nagmadali kami. Wala din naman. Close din naman yung ballet class. So, last night, hindi ako makatulog, guys. Kasi, natatakot ako ba na baka while sleeping ay parang magsusuka si baby Celine natin. And, yun na nga, at 4 o'clock. Parang gumagano siya. Pero walang lumalabas. So, I'm not sure anong nangyari, but at the moment she's feeling okay, she's feeling good, like, you know, she's smiling and also she's not stressed or something. Hindi, maganda yung pakiramdam niya. Last night lang talaga, ewan ko kung bakit nagsusuka siya. And anyways, so ito yung mga binili natin from the grocery. Bumili tayo ng maraming toilet paper. We got this one kasi sabi ni Daddy Mike, ito daw yung lulutuin niya for tonight, dinner namin. Pag nandito na si mother-in-law ko. Ayan. So, this is boneless butterfly chicken. What is that noise? Oh, it's rain. We have some fruit, avocado, mandarins. At hindi na naman kami nagdala ng plastic bag namin doon sa shop. So, ayan. Another 15 cents for this plastic bag. Facial tissue, Coke. Minsan lang kami mag-Coke dito, ha? Microfiber cloths. Kasi gusto kong maglinis na ganyan yung gamit ko, guys. It looks like very clean kapag yan yung ginagamit. So, there's a green gourmet salad. This one. Natawa ako dito, guys. Nung nandun kami, sabi ko na rin, Mike, ganyan talaga yung nakalagay, guys. So, for pubic hair and skin. Diba? Klarong-klaro talaga, guys, kung para saan to. Ay, grabe, parental guidance. Coconut water. And this one, Ovaltine. Naaalala ko, guys, when I was a kid, Sa ano kami nakatira. Davao kami nakatira before. I was 4 years old ata. Naalala ko pa talaga. Ito yung palagi kong kinakain. Gusto ko talaga. Ito siya. Hindi ako masyadong ma-chocolate na tao. Alam ko maraming chocolate dito guys. Sale and everything. But hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa chocolate. Hindi ako nagke-crave. Which is good. Pero ito siya. Itong Ovaltine na ano na to. Candy. I really like that one. What else? So, go apple, some grapes, corn. I bought this one for Celine. Finger food niya. Organic pumpkin, roundabouts, puffed corn shapes for mini mouths and fingers. Ayan. So, for 7 months pataas. We have some banana and croissant. Meron pang isa. Ano pa dito? Isa na lang. So, wala pa rin yung sasakyan natin dito, guys. Kaya naglalakad pa rin kami. Kahit naman siguro nandito yung sasakyan, maglalakad pa rin kami kasi super malapit lang. And, you know, we love walking. We love, you know, exercising, you know. So, it's good. Pero yung sasakyan, hopefully, magiging available na sometime this week. Sana nga nandito na yun guys pagdating ng mama ni Daddy Mike no kasi hindi namin siya madadala kahit saan guys. Hindi namin siya madadala po ng Gold Coast or somewhere na medyo malayo kasi wala kami masasakyan. Alam nga naman mag-Uber kami ng Gold Coast guys. $1 million. Good luck sa pamiliti paingon sa Gold Coast. Kahit nga dito nga lang malapit ano na, $100, $80, ganun. How much more Gold Coast malayo. So, nagpaplano na kami ni Daddy Mike kung saan namin dadalhin si, Ma'am Karen bukas for breakfast. Kasi, obviously, gusto namin siyang i-tour dito sa Brisbane. Kasi, believe it or not, I think hindi pa siya nakapunta dito sa Brisbane, guys. Yes, she is Australian. But mainly, Melbourne daw, tsaka Darwin. So, hindi pa siya nakapunta. I think this is the state na hindi pa niya napuntahan. So, gusto namin siyang ipasyal, but then, wala tayong sasakyan. So, we will probably just do things na malapit lang dito para makapag-Uber kami. We'll just do what we can do, right? It's wala kang magagawa. But hopefully, Wednesday, dumating na yung sasakyan. And nandito pa si mama ni Daddy Mike noon. So, matadala natin siya sa mga. Ayan, more of baby wipes. Hindi nawawala yan sa ating grocery. And I bought this one. Alam niyo ba, hindi ko nililiguan ang aking buhok every single day. But, pag niliguan ko siya guys, yung naiwan lang kasi dito sa bahay na shampoo is yung purple shampoo. So, ito yung shampoo na para sa mga blonde na hair katulad ng sa akin na yung sa baba na lang. Yung sa baba na lang, maitim na dito sa taas guys. So, tumubo na talaga. I have no time to do things for myself anymore. Wala na akong walang pangkuko. Tingnan nyo, wala na. Buhok, wala na talaga lahat, guys. But it's okay. Life must go on. Bumili ako nito para normal na shampoo lang. Nakaka-dry din kasi yung purple shampoo, guys. I noticed. So, ito siya, longer, stronger for mid-length to long hair. So, ayan. Alam nyo bang very mahaba na aking buhok? Pakita ko sa inyo, ha? Oh? Buhaghag lang siya, guys. Pero mahaba siya ba? Hindi ko siya sinuklay. Tapos, yung tubo niya ay, tingnan nyo. Yung black na yan na yung tubo niya. Ayan. Moving on. Ay, bumili ako nitong crackers. Pizza flavor. This one for Paris. Strawberry yogurt buttons. Another one for Celine. Organic apple and cinnamon puffs. Yan. And last but not least is toothbrush for the Paris. And mayroon siyang toothbrush dyan, guys. But kapag change ko yung toothbrush niya every maybe 3 months. Ganun. Pinakita ko na ba ito? Nakakita ko na ito in person. So, yan lang, guys. I will just put them all away now para pag magising ang ating baby girl mamaya ay may magawa pa ako. So, I have to clean the floor again. As you can see, tingnan nyo. Yang sa, anong tawag dito? Very, parang sticky looking ba? Diyan, nagsuka ang ating baby Celine last night. Kaya yan. So, I need to do some mopping again. And ito yung ginawa pala ni Daddy Mike before siya umalis kanina. Sa couch natin, kasi meron na siyang mga dirt. Tingnan nyo. But it looks worse kasi basa siya, guys. Nilagyan kasi ni Daddy Mike nung something na binili niya from the shops na ilagay mo dyan for 2 hours ata. And then, you come back and scrub it. And then, it will look clean again. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Ibang-ibang kulay. Good luck, Ate Paris. Ay, dito. Very dirty ang paa. And sometimes, pag may makain ng ice cream, dito nakaupo. Kahit sinasabihan ng daddy niya na there's no eating on the couch. Anyways, you can't really avoid that, guys. That's why we shouldn't get light couch. Iwan ko kay Daddy Mike, ito yung nagustuhan niya. Kaya, yeah, suffer the consequences ngayon. So, it gets dirty easily. Kailangan linisin maya't maya. But anyways. Hi everyone! I'm awake. Say hi! Say like that? Wave. Can you wave? Can you wave? Hayaan nyo na yung noise, guys, ha, kasi naka-on ang ating dryer. Umuulan kasi sa labas. Umuulan kasi sa labas. Nak, di ba, nak? Ah, shit, tita, you're eating na ka. Tita, you're having snacks. Here you go. Nakauwi na pala si Ate Paris at si Daddy Mike, guys. Ngayon lang talaga. But, Daddy's taking Paris to bed para lagyan ng cream at makatulog. So, alam niyo ba, guys, every time na minamassage ni Daddy Mike si Ate Paris, ay nakakatulog siya. So, normally, kapag lunchtime, kahit sa school niya, guys, hindi yan siya natutulog. Ewan ko lang kung saan niya nakukuha yung energy niya na yan. But, every time na nilalagyan siya ni Daddy Mike ng cream para sa kanyang skin, kasi yung skin niya ay very dry din, nakakatulog siya. Super similar talaga yan sila ng tatay niya. Sabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike last night, guys, na parehas talaga yan sila ni Ate Paris. Kasi kahit pag hinahawakan ko sa Ate Paris, nag-massage ng konti, sinasabi niya talaga, guys. So, that feels nice, mommy. That's very relaxing, mommy. Ganun ba? Ganyan talaga yung tatay niya, guys. Ganyan talaga. So, alam ko na sa kanyang tatay niya talaga nakuha yan. Sobrang, hilig sa massage. Gustong-gusto yung palaging hinahawakan, tinatouch. Ganon. Ate Paris, natatawa talaga ako, guys, kasi kapag, nagaganyan si Ate Paris, naalala ko talaga yung tatay niya. Ganyan talaga yung tatay niya. They will do everything para lang hawakan sila sa likod. Parang kapa lang, ganun lang ba? Kahit hindi talaga na perfect na massage talaga, hawakan lang, himas-himas, ganyan. Silang dalawa. Naku, guys. Twinnings talaga sila dyan. Magaling talaga sila dyan, nak, no? How about you, nak? Maybe ito rin siya ay the same. Do you like touching, na? Do you like himas-himas? Do you like himas-himas, baby girl? Ang kulikit na bata. Alam niyo ba, hindi namin mapipick up yung mama ni Daddy Mike kasi nga wala kami sasakyan. Sabi namin sa kanya, mag-taxi na lang siya papunta dito. There's no choice talaga, guys. Hindi talaga na pick up. Alangan naman mag-Uber kami papunta doon tapos pick upin siya. So she will just come here by herself. Tingnan niyo ang dalawa. Ay, paano makakatulog ang atin yan? Nini. Nini. Naka-close na yung mga blinds, guys, para makatulog ang ating Ate Paris. O, tingnan niyo ang nakatulog. First owner ang kanyang tatay. Uy. Oh, ang baby din na. Diyos, tawa-tawa din na.
I'm just smelling his little bum bum.
Lay down so you can sleep na. Ay, dyan toward silin ka, ma'am. Sleep na, guys. Daddy sleeping.
No.
How about you?
I want to sleep with us. Just, Mom, I want to stay awake.
What's Daddy doing now? Daddy's doing the barbecue. Tingnan niyo to, guys. Oh, it's on. It smells so good in here, guys.
Mom,
Yes, na.
I don't know what time to be here now.
What is it?
I don't know what time to be here.
Daddy. Lola will be here soon, anak.
So how am I meant?
So we'll see. See, the plane will pass by soon. Here, you will see.
We need more water.
Yeah, I know. I don't know what's wrong with this one. But, for sure, itong kanyang white, ewan ko ha. I think lang ha. Ay galing dyan sa Egyptian ba? Kasi minsan, nilagay ko yan siya dito nung umulan. Kasi para anuhan ng tubig ba? Tapos masilawan ba sa adlaw? And then, yeah, it stayed here. Tapos nag-on yan.
100 weeks.
Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo. I think dahil nga yan sa heat. Ayan. So, super green yan siya before. Tingnan nyo, green yung sa baba. Pero dyan yung parang nainita ng hangin ba? Ayan. But I'll bring that in now.
You like it?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Hayaan ko na doon sa loob.
Hey, are you gonna make some marshmallows?
No.
Marshmallows. Time check! It is 6:15 ng gabi. Ay, Diyos, say hi, nakbe. Say hi, nakbe. Ang ating Ate Paris ay atat na marating yung lola niya dito. Wala pa man ang kanyang lola, ay. Mamaya pa man ang kanyang lola daw sa Daddy, didn't you say she's arriving at 6:30?
Yeah.
Oh, she's in the plane now.
It's going back to lunch soon.
Yeah. Ooh. Yay, Lola Karen will be here soon. So how far is the drive from the airport? Is it 20 minutes? Yeah. So maybe 7 o'clock nandito na si Lola na. Or maybe hindi kasi palabas pa ng airport. 7:30. Lola Karen will be here soon. Tingnan nyo, nagsuot ang ating Ate Paris ng kanyang crown. Ang kanyang Snow White dress. Shelby? Up, careful, nak. Agoy na, careful di, anak. Move there a little bit. Wow. Are you going to sleep there tonight?
Yes.
Dito ang kanyang ito ang bed ng kanyang lola. Uy. Minsan naman po niya nagubot.
So we got a new friend.
Wait, who's your friend? What's her name?
Nolly.
Mm-hmm.
That's Nolly.
What's her name?
Nolly.
Nolly?
Nolly.
Nolly?
No, Nolly.
Nelly? Okay, alright.
So I got another one.
Who is it?
There's another one.
Who is it?
This is.
Tingnan nyo. Ang kapatid, tumatawa kahit walang ginagawa ang kanyang ate.
They're twins. So
Ang kanyang lola ay dito sa baba.
this one
Matutulog.
is Nolly. Oh, this one is Finley. This is Finley.
That is, yeah.
This is
Tingnan nyo, nakaligo
Iris.
si Daddy Mike. Bagong gupit si Daddy Mike pala. Daddy, show your hair, Daddy Mike.
I know what he's
No.
Yun yung haircut.
I
My,
didn't
this
brush
is
it.
Ha?
I didn't brush it.
My, this is Iris.
Sana all
Daddy.
nakapagpa-haircut
Daddy.
na.
Oh.
Si Mami ay hindi pa rin tingnan niyo ako, guys, oh. Ang buhok ko ay ganun pa rin, guys. Mom life.
I want you to show me.
Hey, nanak. Hey, nanak. Winnie.
I want to look at the camera.
Winnie. Boo.
I want to look at the camera, please.
Yeah, I can see you. I can see you.
I can't see.
Can you see yourself?
I want you to do the back side.
The backside. Ikaw bitaw, Mike, ka manugo, no?
So this is Aishi.
What's her name?
Aishi.
Aishi?
Yeah. He's really shy.
Oh, really?
This one is
Tingnan niyo ang
not
kanyang
shy.
mata, guys, oh. Very sleepy yan siya. Kanina, matutulog sana yan. Ewan ko, hindi siya natulog.
Yeah.
Yun yung ngayon, paiyak-iyak. Every now and then,
There's
tinatanong ako kung nandito na ba ang kanyang lola.
the back. Wow.
Sige nak, sige nak.
Sa kanina.
Take that off, takpe. Take it off, be. Sige nak, sige nak. Ay, ito. Make her laugh, nak. You don't need to shout, nak, to make her laugh.
Didi, 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 Didi. Oh, Didi.
Sit down, nak, be. Oh, sit down, nak. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Hala, naka-on pa lang. Ano dito, nak? Air conditioner. Ang plant natin, daddy. My plant outside. This is on. Awan na, patay na yun itong plant, nak.
Ma, what's wrong, Mom?
My plant outside, my love. Kasi ito siya kapag inoon namin yung air conditioner, guys, ay umiihip ng hot air sa likuran. Dun sa balcony, nandun ang aking plant. Patay na yung plant, nak. Yes, nak.
Is our plant died?
I know. No, it's still living. It's dying.
Died?
Careful ba diha, nak? Sampilot ka na imong dress.
It's okay.
Ikaw ba sampilot?
Simply
Sam,
Sam,
pi,
P,
lot. Lot.
L,
Sampilot.
sample,
Good job.
sample,
Sampilot.
sample.
Celine. Sampilot. Sampilot. Ay, anak, careful nak. Careful nak. Manapog ka kapag gigil ka na yung manghod. Panggigil eh. Ayaw niya ng... Ayaw ni Celine minsan ba? Sa'yo gini siya makatulog ba? Nak, ay lagi nak. Celine, nas mo nak ba? Arti lagi ka nak. See? Nak, don't make her cry ba? See, she said like that. It's the way of saying no. Isn't that right, Celine? Oh,
No, it's not right.
Nangihi.
Here, I finished. Ouch.
Kulong pining bataan niyo. Ikaw ba?
Is you cleaning good?
Lenny! Ifish! Buti na lang guys, hindi na siya nagsuksok ka ba? Gabi lang talaga yun.
The sandpit is closed.
Tudo?
The sandpit is closed and play is closed now.
Giyan mo kag sanpit na kung saan yung oras.
But the sandpit is closed and play.
Careful lang. Oo, naghilak na na oh. Hello. Hello. Where are you, anak?
Outside.
Why are you outside?
Cause we're gonna wait for Lula Karen.
Yeah.
Oh,
Very
the weather.
excited niya, sir.
The
Dito kami sa
weather.
labas. It's been raining. Oh, basang-basa. Basang-basa sa
The
ulan.
rain on the grass.
Yeah.
See the surface?
Yeah, it's wet. Nak, Lula Karen is catching an
A taxi.
taxi, oh? What is that? Uba?
Yeah.
Nak, ayaw lagi gana sa dala, nak.
It's okay, just go here.
Ah, it's not okay. It's okay ka karon. It's nearly 7:30 na.
How many miles is it?
So, yeah. Dari makain dyan, oh. Kausap si Kuya. Lily!
Hey?
Lily!
Have I got the keys? Yeah, I got it.
Oh, I got some keys.
Lily! Hi! Are you waiting for your Lola Karen too? Are you? Ayun, oh, lumabas na ang... May stars na, oh. So, yun na siguro ulan ang may stars na.
The stars is here because of the rain. I
Hmm?
know why the stars there.
Why?
Because it's been raining.
Oh, is that why?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know that.
My. Look at the moon.
Alam niyo ba guys, nabaguhan kami ba? Kasi it's cold.
Look at
Tingnan niyo ang aki.
look
Oh, tingnan lang. Klaro-klaro guys, oh. I'm having goosebumps. Daddy, have a look.
Oh, because you're cold.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have a look.
Have a look. Mommy's having goosebumps.
Oh yeah. Like me. You got one?
Sobrang ginaw talaga guys. The first time ba? Tingnan niyo. Nindog ang bungot. Di ba sabi ko before, it's very hot. Ano yun, ginaw na siya. Patapos na kasi. When is the summer ends?
Hey?
When is the summer ends? Nabalik ko. Plain.
I don't know, because it's like...
I think November.
Well, here you don't really have like a winter, so it's hard to spend.
I'm saying by month.
That is into a Karen. You're taking too long.
What's that? Come on. Look at us. What's that? Happy kay Ate Paris, eh? Ew.
It's a song.
Go past, get that.
Bigay mi sila. Lini, come na Lini.
No, it's okay.
Huh?
I got it.
Okay. Close the door. Who's that? Lini, don't cry, Lini. That's Lola Karen.
Oh, it smells nice. That's your room. Goodness, are you sleeping up the top? Top? Oh, I'm gonna sleep here. Oh, wow, this is cool. Are you sure you don't snore?
Yes, yes.
Ayan, it's late na guys. Ang ating Ate Paris ay nasa bath. Katapos lang namin mag-dinner. Paris had dinner with her Lola Karen. Ay. Pasensya na guys, hindi ako nakakapag-vlog talaga. Kasi nahiya ako mag-vlog. Ayoko kasi isipin niya na. Diba? Private ba? Private yan.
I don't know what this one is.
That's Ate Paris' brand new toothbrush. What is it now? What's the print? What's the print?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Come on, you can put a little bit more.
Huh?
Put a little bit more. The bubbles, just a little
Oh,
bit.
no more bubbles, Ate.
But it's not up.
It's alright, just rinse, anak. Just rinse. You're not staying there for long. Okay, brush properly. May show me how you brush it properly, may show here in the camera. Yung Ate Paris natin, diretso ka agad sa kanyang lola, guys. Gusto niyang maglaro ng puzzle, mag-drawing, and everything. No, super excited talaga nandito ang kanyang lola. Are these yours?
Yeah, sometimes.
Oh. Bigay ng lola
Don't
nila,
mind,
guys. Oh.
these are not for me, that's for Celine.
It's for you. See, it's size 4. This small here. Oh, cute. Tingnan. Ang dami na namang damit ng mga bata. Oh yeah, that 100 is for Celine. Yeah, 0 and 00 is for Celine. But if it's 4, then that's yours, yeah?
That's this one.
That's very nice.
You like the couch in the bucket?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Oh my, can you look at that one?
Yeah, this is yours. Did Lola show it to you before?
Oh, this one doesn't have one.
It stays clean because you've got 2 really little children.
I can't remember what I bought it. I know I might have bought
So cute.
So this one says cup.
because I got these at Freedom.
Yeah, yeah.
Where's the 4?
Later.
Where's the 4, Mine?
2 years I think at Freedom
Have a look.
with the upholstery. Like if
Yeah.
anything happens to it,
Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah, because why? Do you know why it's 4?
Because I'm 4 years old.
Well done,
This
smart
is
girl.
4.
So, ano na to siya sa kanyang daddy. Lagyan ng
So
cream.
let's see this zero. That's
Tinitingnan
zero.
niyo guys, oh. Oh, ito yung ano niya. Oh. Tingnan niyo. Siya, tita. Yun. Stage. Kanyan, oh. Kanyang eczema ba? Kaya kailangan moisturize yung skin niya
Can
palagi.
you take me down?
Okay, sure. Sleepy na? You're going to sleep in the
Mom, not sleepy yet.
in the bunk bed.
My, this is packed with food.
Hindi lang siya sleepy guys, pero tingnan niyo ang kanyang mata.
So I've got 2
She brushed her teeth too.
and they've got wooden
And I want to show you something.
Yeah, see? Show me your teeth.
upholstery.
Very clean.
No, I want to show you from here.
What is it?
And the couch that I bought has just one arm.
What is that? Mouth ulcer. It's gone now, yeah?
And
It's gone now? But it was worse before.
and it's like
Yeah, it was started before, but now it's not bad.
Better.
But it's not gone yet.
Yeah, it will go away soon.
I can buy
It's go away soon.
the optimum,
Okay.
Tomorrow when you wake up,
same height.
gonna go with Lola. Ayun ang kanya Lola sa likuran guys, oh.
Where?
Can be one of those extensions.
To play.
Sobrang ano na. Tignan niyo ang kanyang mukha ba? Kamukha silang pares, oh.
A piece that is like a fitting underneath. I can even extend it.
Okay.
It's got no
Mom, can I come down?